Good morning, y'all. Today is Sunday, and it is 10:17. I got my meat out. I'm about to make my sides. Then I'm going to season my meat, make my burgers, and season my what's them thing called pork steaks. Oh, them gonna be so good. Okay. So yeah, we doing Brussels sprouts. And we are doing baked beans. So yeah, that's what we doing. Alright, y'all, so the ground beef is cooking for the beans. Like I just be cute. Look at that. Ooh, look at them beans, y'all. Full of flavor. Flavor, I say. Alright, y'all, I finally started the grill. It is burning pretty good. We're going to let that burn for a while. This is my plate. Baked beans, Brussels sprouts, hot dog, and a pork steak with some strawberry lemonade. Like, I am finna tear this up. When I tell y'all, look at these roses. Don't they look cute? Like, so pretty. So pretty. But yeah, I am done. Let me get a drink. I'm on my way to work. It is Monday, y'all. It is Monday. Not a bad day. It's a little cool. How many is it? It is 56 already. What do I got planned today? I need to get on this computer and upload some stuff to ShopMine. And also, I want to go in the basement and find some items that I want to hang up. Yeah, so I'm gonna look for the things, the candle holders that I want to find, and I also want to find the candle holders, and then I got the new candles to put in. Oh, I bought some new cleanser that I wanted to try out on my pots, so we're gonna do that today too. So first things first, when I get off, I'm gonna go home, go in the basement and find the candle holders, do my candles, my new candles, and all my candlesticks, my candlestick holders, and put those up and do a quick video on my new matches that I got. I am Michelle from Michelle Home. If you guys don't know, I do content about cooking and decorating, and yeah, that's my thing. Cooking, decorating, garden, shopping, of course. How y'all like my hat? My hair is not done, so I just threw my hat on. Hey y'all, hey. How y'all doing? I'm back at home. I'm about to go in this basement and see if I can find what I'm looking for, so I can hang my candle holders up and do my candles. So one of them days, y'all. One of them days. These are the candle holders, my mom's candle holders, but they are a little rusted, so I got some paint. I got some paint, some gold metallic paint that I am going to try and fix these with. So let's get to it, y'all. See the difference from that one and that side. Like, it's gonna be stunning. Stunning, girl. She loved her brass. Alright guys, I am ready to hang my candle holders. They are dry and they look so good. I painted them because they were rusted. And yeah, these were my mom's and they look good. Right there. And then I got the gold hooks. Let me show y'all the gold hooks. So cute. So how y'all like it? I love them. And I'm putting these in there. I just got these from Home Goods for $9.99 and they are gorgeous. Oh, you better quit playing. You better quit playing with me. That looks divine. What y'all think? Let's see. You better quit playing. Look at that. Look at that. Let's get back some so we can get the what? I love it. Next to my green curtains. So cute. Let's see how these are gonna look. Let's look closer. Cause I want to put some in here since I got these. Since I got these. So cute. We're gonna put those in the candle holders on the table. Oh my gosh. So, I got these two right here. That looks good up against that black. And then I got these in here. And I got some gold candle holders over there. I think I'm gonna put my other green ones, two green ones. Let's see how they look over here. Let's see. Y'all love it. I love it. What do y'all? Oh, that looks so good. Now we got two green ones here, four white, two white, and then hey baby. So what do we think? What do we think? And these roses, y'all better quit playing with the Sam Club flowers. Okay? Sam Club? Got them? Listen. And then this right here is my darn favorite, my mama candle holders. Aside this picture I thrifted from Goodwill. And this whole little section looks good, okay? Okay, it's looking good. And it goes perfect with my green curtains. I want some new green pillows, but yeah, we're not doing all that. I just want to freshen up, because this Easter stuff will be going out, so I needed some things to freshen it up. I do want more dishes over here. I want more plates. I want to go back and get like 6 more plates and 6 bowls, more saucers. I think I'm good with the cups. But yeah, what do you guys think?